Hello guys, and welcome back to Angie's Table, and today we're going to be making Korean cafe vibe lemonade so that we can endure this hot summer going on now. We're going to be making a lemon preserve, or almost like a syrup type thing, so that you can enjoy it whenever you want. And also we're going to be making cool colors with it, so it's not just yellow lemonade. We're going to be using butterfly PT leaves. And if you guys have checked out our soju cocktail videos, we've already introduced it there. But for now, let's go and check out these simple ingredients. So we've already introduced how to cleanly and properly disinfect these mason jars. So check out our persimmon jam video. We show you guys there. And now we're going to properly clean the skin of the lemon because we are using the entire lemon to make this preserve. So let's go ahead and start that. At this point, I'm going to wear gloves. I would advise wearing gloves because vinegar and baking soda is a little bit harsh on your skin. And we're going to gently scrub the lemons. So these lemons are all clean now, and we're gonna go ahead and slice them. For 2 of the lemons, we're gonna be using everything including the skin, and for 1 of them, we're only gonna be using the inner parts of it with no skin. I don't know about you guys, but I just really love lemon, and I love adding lemon to almost all of my foods, especially fish. I really like it on chicken too. I just think it makes the whole dish tie together, and there's just some sense of freshness to it. And make sure to take all the seeds out because we don't want to be eating that when we have our lemonade. Now it's time to add our sugar to the lemons and mix it all together, and it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you have 3 lemons, that's about a cup and a half. I'm gonna be adding a cup and a half of sugar to this and thoroughly mix it all together well. Korean cafes have the best drinks. I feel like it doesn't even compare to Starbucks here in the States. It's just so good, and I just love that atmosphere that Korean cafes give off. It's just really amazing. So I wanted to do something that can bring me closer to that. Hopefully this is something that you guys can upload to Instagram or share with your friends, and if you do, make sure to tag Angie's Table. Make sure to clean up all of the mess around the glass. So this is good to eat after about 3 days. So just keep it in the fridge and enjoy some lemonade 3 days later. I already pre-made some 3 days ago, so we're gonna enjoy some lemonade today with that. And in the meantime, let's go steep some butterfly PT leaves. It is time for today's word. I wanted it to be a little bit separate from food related terms. So today's word is gonna be 여름. And 여름 means summer. So in a phrase, you can say 여름이다, which means it's summer. Yeah, lemon just reminded me of summer, so I thought it'd be a good way to introduce you guys to the season that we are currently in. And yeah, I don't know what other way I can explain summer to you guys further, but just know that 여름 means summer. So prepare 2 taller glasses, and we're going to fill first the bottom portion with the lemonade preserves, and then some Lemon La Croix, and fill it with ice being the barrier between the butterfly PT leaves and the lemon so that the color change doesn't happen so instantly. So let's go ahead and fill our glass with some goodies. Here's your straw. Which one do you want? Okay. Yeah, make sure to mix it well because all the syrup's at the bottom. It's so pretty. Grace and I were talking. We don't really have good mocktails for people who don't drink alcohol or can't drink it. Wow. Oh my God. It's so good, right? Oh, I feel like my eyes just opened and I got like all this energy inside of me.
This is the best mocktail I've ever had.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, we don't really have good mocktails, but this is gonna be a staple. When we have people over who can't drink alcohol, sometimes I think I would kind of even want to drink this over like a cocktail. It's so good. Oh my God. It's just so good. I cannot believe it. Lemonade technically isn't really supposed to be healthy, so just like looking at the amount of sugar that went in, I'm like, oh my God. But then again, you're not drinking a cup and a half of sugar, you know, it's only a part of it. This is so good. I feel like I'm gonna be making this lemonade preserve every summer. My mom brings me a whole bag of lemons and I can't finish it all the time, but I feel like, you know, when you're like, oh shoot, it's been in there for kind of a while, I'm just gonna go ahead and make this and just keep it in my fridge.
Yeah, I feel like a good idea.
Butterfly PT leaf doesn't really have much of a taste, so it's just kind of like there for color. It's pretty much the only purpose it serves.
I'm sure there's something.
Try it, try that. Can I have a little spoon? I'm gonna literally try just that and see. Literally just water.
Kind of looks like push.
Yeah.
The purple part of it.
Yeah.
I think this is a must try for sure.
So I really hope you guys try this out, and make sure if you guys do and post it to Instagram to tag Angie's Table, because that'd be fantastic. And we'll see you guys on our next video.